have something I need to say. I have something I need to get off my chest, okay? Alright you guys, so I am back with another makeup video. Like, it's been a minute, you guys. So we're gonna attempt, y'all gotta work with me, bear with me. We're gonna attempt to do 7 days of Christmas. Leading up to Christmas, I'm gonna try to do a makeup look every day. So today we're gonna start off a little bit slow and then we're gonna build our way up. I have some ideas, so we're just gonna see how this goes, you guys. But I'm gonna try to give you guys 7 days of makeup tutorials. And I got another wig tutorial coming too, so definitely make sure that you stay on the lookout for that video, because that video is coming out. Not a hair tutorial, another wig review. So make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, share, so that way we can boost it up, boost it up. But you guys, I am moisturizing my lips today with the Maybelline Rose Butter. So I'm gonna let this sit on my lips while I'm doing the rest of my makeup. This Milk Hydro Grip Primer is so bomb-tastic. Like, if you have not tried this primer out, you guys, I don't know what you're doing. This primer is really, really good, and I would suggest this primer for dry or oily skin. Like, it just feels super, super good and smooth. And again, I'm just taking the residue of the primer that's on my hands and going over my forehead with it, but concentrating it mainly around my nose, on my cheeks, in the places that get really, really dry. Alright y'all, can we just take a moment of silence and just tell the Lord thank you for these eyebrows? Like, y'all, my eyebrows haven't looked this good in a while. I did go get them done yesterday, so definitely if you're struggling on learning how to actually fill in your eyebrows when you get them waxed or plucked, or even if you groom them yourself, it does make it a whole lot easier to actually fill your eyebrows in. So yes, eyebrows, yes. Today I'm actually going to be using the Morphe eyelid primer. This is the translucent color, and I'm just going to apply this all over my eyelid and smooth it out so that way it's a nice even coat. And then we're going to get into the eyeshadow. I'm going to be using most of my colors from the Fierce by Nature 3503 palette by Morphe, and I'm going to use a fluffy eyeshadow brush for my first color. And the first color that I'm going to use is going to be, I guess you can say, my transition shade, and that's going to go right underneath the brow bone. And I'm actually going to pick up this light brown taupey shade right here, and I'm just going to sweep my brush back and forth underneath my eyebrow. Alright you guys, so the next color that I'm going to take, I'm going to use a smaller eyeshadow brush. This one is a little bit more dense, so I'm going to be able to control the color a little bit better with this one. I'm going to be using this nice chocolate shade right here, and I'm going to place that directly right underneath the first color that we used in the beginning. Alright you guys, so now I'm going to use the Makiage concealer in the shade 13 to actually cut out my crease. And I think I'm going to do it halfway. I'm not going to do it full cut crease. And you guys, I'm not going to talk while I'm doing this because I'm not even going to try to. But I'm just going to zoom in so that way you guys can see me cut my crease with this concealer. I'm going to be using this chunky glitter from Fairy Tales Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply that using this eyelash glue, and I'm just basically going to place that on the first half of the cut crease and then use the colors that I used for the transition and the crease color to actually blend into the cut crease. Rest of my makeup routine is going to be the same like normal. I did have to switch my lashes, y'all, because those other lashes were not sticking, but my glue is still drying, so that's why it looks kind of weird. But anyways, today I'm actually going to switch back to my Maybelline matte Pore-less, and this is the color 338 Spicy Brown. And that's another reason why I went ham with all the moisturizing primer in the beginning, because I knew I was using this matte Pore-less foundation. But anyways, the rest of this video, we're gonna chat it up because you guys, I have something I need to say. I have something I need to get off my chest, okay? But no, you guys, seriously, being single in quarantine, oh, this is another level of single, y'all. Another level, okay? Where my spray at? And I'm actually going to blend this out with my Real Technique sponge. And I'm going to spray some of the Badescu on the sponge so that way it can get nice and damp. So that way I'm not using a dry sponge on my face to blend everything out. But yes, you guys, so like I was saying, this quarantine and single stuff has been crazy. You guys, comment down below if you've also experienced being mask fished like myself. So you guys, for my single women and my single fellas out there, please tell people to pull their mask down when you meet them, because you guys, I have been bamboozled, hoodwinked, and set up at least 3 times since quarantine has really been in effect and we've been wearing these masks. So yes, I do suggest straight off the bat when you're meeting people out in public, ask them to put their mask down, and also ask for their social media right then and there, just so that way you can get a glimpse of who this person is, because you guys, y'all, your girl has been mask fished. And I'm not taking any extra product on the forehead, just dragging anything else that I have left on the sponge to blend out the top portion of my forehead. But yes, y'all, so I actually have been like considering doing some online dating, but again, I'm kind of skeptical about that as well. So I don't know, you guys pray for your girl, but drop me some comments down below, some tips that you guys have for being single in quarantine and what you guys are doing, because y'all, it's been real out here for you girls. It's been real. Alright you guys, so here are the final results of this Glam holiday makeup look. I really hope you guys really enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and definitely stay tuned. I'm going to try my best, you guys, to keep up with this 7 days of Christmas makeup theme that I got going on right now. So definitely make sure you tune into the next one. Do not forget to drop me a comment down below of your thoughts on this makeup look, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe and turn your post notifications on so that way you know when I upload new beginner friendly makeup tutorials like this one. And as always, remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin', and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.